In this video, I'm going to be going through what is the cost of setting up cold email campaigns, so specifically for outreach and trying to get new clients. I often get asked basically, how much does it cost to actually set this stuff up? Is it cheaper than ads, things like that? And I'm going to run you through and break down like this is the cost, this is how much it costs to actually get this set up, and then the monthly cost as well. So excuse the background noise. There is a road near me. I'm in Bali right now. But anyways, let's get back to it. So cost of domains. So you want to purchase anywhere from, you want to purchase 10 domains, right, to start off with. And if you use Namecheap, then this should be a little bit cheaper. You can get like .co, .com, .net, .io, all sorts of different types of domains. But I would recommend sticking to .com. But if you do want to keep it a little bit cheaper, you can also do like .tech, .co, .xyz, and use the cheaper ones there if you wanted to save some costs and you're trying to get started. But that's why, if you were to buy even 10 and at $5 a pop on average, you get $50, or you get up to $100 if you're spending like on .coms. They're usually about $10 each. Then you would get 2 emails per domain. So this is the initial, by the way, this is the initial setup cost, right? You need to purchase the domains to start off with, right? So it's a very low cost just to purchase the domains. Then we would set up 2 emails per domain. So that's 20 inboxes in total. So 2 times 10, 20. And then this allows us to send about 500 to 600 emails per day. So the monthly cost of this is, now this is if you're using both Google and Outlook. If you're using Google, it's about $7.50 per email address, per inbox. So if you're doing 2, that'll be about $15 per domain times by 10. So it's 150. Outlook is a little bit cheaper. I think it's like $5 depending on where you get it. If you get it straight from like 365, I think it might be a little bit more. But if you get it from like GoDaddy, you can get some deals and it's a little bit less, I think $5 or something. Double check that, but I think that's pretty much roughly what we pay per month. So you're looking at anywhere from $125 to $150 per month for 20 inboxes that allows you to send 500 to 600 emails per day. And that's sending anywhere from 25 to 30 emails per inbox per day. The next thing you would want to pay for is the email sequencer. So this is the Smart Lead or Instant Lead. This allows you to add as many domains, add as many emails as you want to, and then it will send out emails from that. And it's one fee, per month. Smart Lead is $94. Instant Lead is $97. This allows you to send, I think, about 100,000 plus emails a month. So you're good with this. They have other plans on top of that, but this is good for like a starter. If you really, really want like beginner, and you want to send less emails per day, then Instantly doesn't have another plan without like not getting into the Unibox, and you need the Unibox or Master Inbox to manage everything. So there's no point in getting that plan. Whereas Smart Lead has other plans below that, but I would just recommend getting the Pro plan so you don't have to waste time with like deleting leads and all other types of stuff, because they have limits on how many leads you can actually store at any one time. Then the next thing is the data provider and list building. So you obviously need somewhere to get your leads from and your prospects from. The most cost-effective option is Apollo. So it's $49 per 10K leads or 10K credits. After you verify the emails in like debounce or anything like that, then you're probably looking at 7,000 leads that you might get from that. I actually think I forgot to add debounce here. So you're looking at about $49. You can also use Instantly Lead Finder, which is $197 per 10K verified leads, which I think is a good deal. You can add those leads directly straight into Instantly, and it only adds in the ones that are actually verified. And then you've got List Kit, which is a little bit more expensive. It's like, I think for the first month, $79 for 1K triple verified leads. So they're verified 3 different ways. And then I think after that, it's $59 per month after. So there's that. You only get 1K, so it's a lot more expensive per lead, but it also reduces the verification that you need. And then you've also got Clay, which is $350 basically for 10K credits. So if you want to use that, that's also a great tool to use. You can get 50K credits for like $800, but if you're just starting off, I would either get like 2K credits or 10K credits, which is anywhere from $150, $200 to $350 basically. And then the final thing is client communication. So you want to obviously communicate with your clients. You can use Discord, but I find, to be honest, for me, it just looks unprofessional. If I'm dealing with clients and talking on Discord, it's like a gamer app for me personally, but I would rather use Slack. Everyone seems to use Slack. You can use Microsoft Teams, but I don't like Microsoft. So I just use Slack for everything. Just keep everything all in one place, and that's $11 per month. If you add more team members, it's more, but if it's just yourself, then it's $11 per month. Or you can actually add team members as like external organizations, basically, so you don't have to pay for them. So there is that. And then the final thing, actually, which I missed out from the list, is using an email verification tool. So you can either use like Million Verify or Debounce. They tend to charge about, I think Debounce is literally $15 for about 10,000 verifications. And if it doesn't verify something, it doesn't charge you. And it's just credit based. So yeah, it's super cheap for like 10K lead, 10K verifications, you pay $15. So yeah, that's how much it is. And then the actual cost. So the cheapest option, the setup is about $50. And then monthly you're looking at about $279. So yeah, between 270 and $300 a month. The middle kind of thing. So this is if you're like using Instantly Lead Finder or using like a couple of Apollo subscriptions if you want to send more emails. You're looking at like a 75 setup if you want to get like slightly better domains. And the monthly is like 450 to 500. And then more expensive if you're using like Clay and potentially even like ListKit and things like that. You're looking at anywhere from like 600 to $1,000 a month, plus the initial setup of like 100. So yeah, that's what you need to have this system. This is how much it really costs to kind of like get it set up, just in terms of the actual tech. Then there's obviously the time investment and everything like that. So it is a lot, but it is also something that I can help out with if you are struggling with that, and we can help out with if you're struggling with that and don't want to do it, or you just don't have the time to do it. Then you can click the link below to book in a call, and we can set that up for you. But this is the kind of cost of this is how much it costs to run every single month, so you can see how it works. But I would say that the ROI tends to be sort of like at least a 3-to-1, if not plus 5-to-1. So it's very well worth it. It's pretty automated once you get it sort of up and running. Really, there's a lot of just focus on like inbox management and making sure that you're constantly adding leads and things like that and rewriting copy. But it is a pretty damn good system for getting leads consistently and predictably. So yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. As always, make sure to book a link below. Click the link below if you'd like to book in a call and chat through, how we can help you if you want help implementing any of this kind of stuff in done for you services. And yeah, I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.